Hello. So we already after the event of Drift King last 2 days, so we are back at the garage, so settling everything. So as you guys know, I use this S15. It's actually 180SX converted to S15. It's a good car. It's 1.5J. On the Battle of Drift King was quite awesome. So I versus Along Fazrin, Amandio, one of the best drifters in Malaysia, you know. So if you all guys really want me to use this E36, right? I'm sorry guys, cause it's low on power. It's very low on power. So that's why my boss said just use the Hans. So the car name is Hans. So I'm using this 2JZ and everything. So everything was going fine on practice and everything. Just I feel like the clutch is slipping and all that lah. So it's a good battle. I battle against Along Fazrin. Maybe I put a clip inside.
You know what it is. That is Along Fazrin in that LS15V. Taking the lead, chasing him is AI Kevin.
Here they come. Big swing there by Along Fazrin. But Kevin pulling a shallower line out to chase. Oh, Along Fazrin dipping in a little bit closer to the inside of the track than he might like to for a perfect run. But AI Kevin doing a very good job of the chase. Forced to lead Along Fazrin to chase.
And now they are off. All the way in front, that is AI Kevin. Chasing him is Along Fazrin.
But would you look at that? Along Fazrin getting back that proximity after AI Garage Kevin starts to pull away through that attack zone. Now our judges have the difficult decision.
Along Fazrin on Super Cup on the wet. Yo, it's a different experience if you're driving on the wet with a 2JZ, you know. So I was driving and I lost to Along Fazrin because it's different when you drive an E36 low horsepower car in the rain. It's like champion, right? So and you're driving an 2JZ in the rain. It's like the slip is the surface when you're driving is not consistent. So you'll be slippery dry. So Along Fazrin's car is 100% tip top, you know. Show you all photos, some photos of his car. His car is powerful. And then end of Super Cup, I lost. And then we go for Drift King, qualify, and again number 13, qualifying on number 13 on the first day. So on the first day when we qualify and everything done, so we are on the tandem battle. You see, I see my bracket versus Amandio from Indonesia. So battle with Amandio in the first round, we get one more time. So it was the best run versus Amandio is one of the best drifter in Indonesia. And then for the second one, and then for one more time, we battle again, and I lost. But the experience there when I lost to Amandio and Along Fazrin is for me. It's like I'm happy inside.
Now that we get to see that is Kimmy.
But Kimmy is not.
Amandio right now.
But I believe it might be Kimmy in Amandio's car. Because, but no, it should be Amandio and Kevin 420. So this is Amandio against Kevin 420. So right now we've got that V8 power trying to pull away, but Kevin right there. This is the one more time battle that we wanted to see. But Amandio slick with it on that V8, on that limiter. Kevin getting lost in that transition. Wow, but listen to those beautiful cars.
All right, now at the starting line is Kevin. AI Kevin from AI Garage. taking the lead. Chasing him is Amandio, Mas Aman from Indonesia.
That's right, Team LFN. What a great sounding V8. I don't think it's quite as loud as the Long Fazrin, but that is nice. Seriously nice. And I have to say, I love
V8 goodness.
some V8 goodness. Some more cylinders. More cylinders for more petrol usage.
Thank
Right.
goodness for the V goodness. All right, starting off down that straight line, we have Kevin taking the lead. Chasing him is Amandio from Indonesia.
Oh my goodness.
Closing up to Kevin. Amandio is not playing around. Look at that proximity coming into the clipping zone. What a transition around that corner.
But Kevin taking a beautiful line. Amandio is
Cruising from behind.
elastic band to his hip. My
Check out that
goodness.
proximity, Peter.
It is incredibly close. You can hardly fit a piece of paper between the two. Wow.
Wow, getting a round of applause from the judges. Mr. K seems happy with
So guys, I'm sorry I cannot perform on the first day. And then the second day, so same thing again, went for practice for the second layout, and then went for qualifying. I qualified in 10, a bit higher, and then I'm against Along Fazrin again. So on that second day when I was Along Fazrin, Along versus Along, whoosh, that was the best experience I ever had with Along Fazrin. He's 100% and me and 100%. So we battle out each other, we are close and reach almost the same line, and I did some mistake. I know I did some mistake because I didn't go wide on the second last corner. So I lost there. I know I lost because in my mindset is like I'm thinking like, oh, the clutch slip, or I scared I broke the gearbox so I cannot play again, or what, and this and that. So my mind is too much, you know, because I don't want to spoil the car. It's a good car, it's decent and everything. So I'm babying the car because I don't want to destroy it. Well, that's the highlight of 2024 Drift Kings. So I put some footage on the NDS and on the I put some footage in the Facebook Live. I'm against Along and I'm against Amandio, so y'all can see. Alright, so the best of the best in Malaysia, Along and Amandio. I play with them and they are strong. They are pretty strong. So maybe next year, let's try. Okay, let's try to beat them if we can. So I need more seat time. I need my BM. Okay, so I'm thinking of selling the 1U and swapping another swap. So if you guys want to know what swap, stay tuned. Alright.